Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a login and registration system in PHP MySQL, which will be with email verification. So once you register, that time an email verification will be sent to you at your Gmail ID. From there, when you verify, then only you can log in this. We are going to start with setting up the files and then using a Bootstrap to design the forms, and pages will be created like login, register, dashboard, and one home page, or we tell it as index page also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started with it. So let me just close with this, don't save, and now let's begin. Over here, this is my current directory over here, which is I have opened over here. And now let us create a page, index.php file. And now let's begin with that. HTML 5, and over here login and registration system in PHP with email verification. Done. And now over here we require the Bootstrap to design that forms. So let's go over here, click on docs, you'll be at this page. Let's copy this CSS file, link, and remove this, we don't require. Save, and let's copy the script file JS, which will be bundle1. So let's copy this bundle and remove this extra thing. Save, and now let's divide this. So structure, where I am going to call includes folder, and inside this create one file called header.php and one more file footer.php, and let's copy this in the header and this part which will be in the footer. That's it. So let's call this file over here, open PHP, close. Let's call the include function, where you are going to call inside the includes folder, inside single quotes you are going to type includes / header.php, and again here will be your footer.php. That's it. And now guys, over here we will set all the design. So let's use Bootstrap 5 classes, container, row, column MD12, H4, where we'll tell login and registration system in PHP, which will be done with email verification. That's it. So now let's check the output guys for this. Get back, refresh, you can see it's perfect. So guys, let's one design with the navbar. So let me just copy navbar from here, get back, let's copy this and use it. Let's create one navbar.php, paste, and remove this form, we don't require, and simple button. So this will be my founder of web IT, the brand, and this is a for mobile responsive button, and simple links are there. Very clear. And now guys, let's copy this again and paste, where this page is for the home page. Home, we'll type this as index.php, and this will be the register, where register.php file, and now this will be the login.php file. Save, and now let's check the output. Get back. Okay, we didn't include this file, so let's call this file over here. Let's come, let me just give enter, and let's hit Ctrl+CV and call this navbar.php, which is inside this includes folder. Save, refresh. So you can get this navbar, right? So guys, now let us just align with this in a container. So let's get back, Control X, design the container row and the column MD12, and inside this 12 you are going to paste your navbar. As simple. And now you need to create one simple div at the top of this, where bg dark you will tell dark. That's it. Get back, and over here you are going to remove this navbar dark you will tell. That's it. Save. And now let's check the output from here. Margin S ms auto refresh. You can see that. Perfect. So guys, now let's design this page called register. So let's click on this, and now let's create a page and design a registration form. Register.php, copy. So let's use a form over here, form type, and you can get all the form designs. So it's very simple. Let's use direct coding. Let's get back. Let's use the header and footer part. So let's copy this header and the footer. Let's paste. And now we required one title, right? So for the example, if we give refresh, you can see login and registration system in email verification. Its default title is coming. Done. So we want to save to something else. So let us just remove this, hit enter, and write PHP code over here with the if condition, where you are going to tell is set $page underscore title, where you are going to tell this, and echo over here you are going to call the title. So let's call this $title, and after this you want means you can add your logo name. So let's tell logo name over here. Save. And now guys, let's copy this variable page title and add it over here. Page title is equal to, inside single quotes we will tell home page, and same thing you are going to register.php and pasting that registration form. Okay, save. And now let's check the output. You can see that registration form hyphen logo. Cool. So guys, now let's design the registration form inside this. As simple, py5 we are going to use, padding 5, top and bottom, container row, and the column we are going to use 8, and inside this we will start with the card design. So card body with the card header, h5 registration form. Save. And now inside this we are going to use one shadow. Let's start with the form design. Form, and then give the row, not row, direct form group, form hyphen group, label, which will be for name, input dot form hyphen control, where this will be your name of the user, copy, name, phone number, let's give phone, let's copy again, call this email ID, or you can tell address also, and then password, and one more, confirm password, confirm password, and let's change this will be the password. Copy and confirm underscore password. Save. Just give little spaces between this. Control D, margin bottom 3, and let's create a submit button. Form-group. We missed out one spelling, and now simple button which will be register now. Type which will be submit, and the class button primary. Save. So guys, this is our registration form. Now let us check the output of this. So we have designed the registration form. Let's make it small and in a site. You need to reduce the size to 6 and add a justify content center. Save. You can see the output in center. So guys, now let's design a login form. Let's get back, go to Navbar, let's type login. So let's copy this login and create a page. Let's get back, refresh, let's click on login button. So this will be our page name. Go back. Oops, let's create a file, login.php, and same way how we have designed with register, I'm going to copy the full thing and paste over here and change according to the requirement. Login form, and then we required only email and password. Let's remove. That's it. Save. Login. Done. Let's see the output, guys. For this, refresh, you can see the login form has also come. So register, login, and your home page, login and registration system with email verification. So guys, let's move and just give a in center. On index, let's add over here text center, and let's increase the size h2 and h4. Save and see the output. Cool. So guys, now we need to create one dashboard tab also. So like after registration, after email verification, when you log in, you need to go to dashboard. So let's create that also. Let's move to our navbar over here, and let's add one more link which will be the dashboard. That's it. So let's copy and create this file. Refresh. Right, so let's copy once again from here and create one file inside the root directory, and this will be your authenticated file. Until and unless you log in, you cannot access this dashboard. So before that, we'll just design one simple. Let's copy from the index page itself, dashboard, paste over here and mention this as dashboard, and give that a simple card header, and then message for tag dashboard. You can tell user dashboard, and the card body. Let's cut this and paste inside this card body. Done. Here you need to mention that when you are logged in. Okay, so when you're logged in, that time only you can access this page. As simple. Save, and let's check this output, guys. Refresh. Okay, let's remove this center one, not required. Refresh. So guys, once you log in this, you will be over here. So guys, we have completed our part 1 of login and registration system with email verification in this video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please continue in next video, part 2 of how to create the registration system with email verification. Thank you once again.